Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called What Are the Benefits of Using a Design Build Firm Instead of a General Contractor? Let's chat about why choosing a design build firm is like opting for a gourmet chef over a short order cook when you're redesigning your space. Picture this. You're embarking on a grand home renovation adventure and pondering whether to wrangle a bunch of separate contractors or go for a team that's tighter than a family reunion hug. Enter the design build firm, the one-stop shop that could save you time, money, and, potentially, your sanity. First up, it's all about streamlined communication. With a design build firm, you've got the designer and builder in cahoots from the get-go. This means fewer crossed wires and less chance of playing the middleman in your own renovation soap opera. The design build approach makes sure everyone sings from the same hymn sheet, which means your dreams don't get lost in translation. I mean, y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Imagine trying to coordinate a solo concert where every musician plays a different tune. That's what it feels like with multiple contractors pulling in different directions. With design build, the ensemble works harmoniously, cranking out smooth jazz instead of a cacophony of chaos. Next, consider the collaboration and creativity bonus. The design build firm thrives on team synergy, ensuring creativity flows like a river through your entire project. The collaboration doesn't just happen at the start. It's a constant back and forth of ideas and solutions, making sure what looks dazzling on paper shines even brighter in your home. And let's talk cost savings. By keeping the design and build under one roof, you reduce unexpected cost surprises that pop up like weeds in your freshly landscaped garden. Decisions happen faster, quotes are more accurate, and budgets hold firm because the team knows your project inside and out. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. In a design build scenario, potential pitfalls are spotted and addressed early, not ignored until they mushroom into budget-busting crises. It's a proactive, not reactive approach to home renovation. Lastly, let's toast to efficiency. The design build method busts typical project delays because planning and construction move in tandem. It's a dance where everyone knows the steps, so you're less likely to stub your toe on unexpected delays. In summary, when you opt for a design build firm, you're choosing peace of mind, enhanced creativity, efficiency, and a beautiful ending to your remodeling journey. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.